Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson nests of birds. Nests of birds. 1. Birds build their nests. Birds build their nests to lay, protect and hatch their eggs. Birds build their nest to lay, protect and hatch their eggs. Second point is the nests of birds. The nests of birds are made up of different materials like twigs, grass, dry leaves. The nests of birds are made up of different materials like twigs, grass, dry leaves. Next point is Koels. Koels and cuckoos do not build their own nests. Koels and cuckoos do not build their own nests but lay eggs in the other bird nest. But they lay eggs in other bird's nest. 4. We should protect birds and their nests. We should protect birds and their nests as they help us in many ways. Birds help us in many ways. So, we should protect birds and their nests. Now, we are going to solve the exercise. State whether the following statement true or false. State whether the following statement true or false. Okay. So see what is the first sentence. Before going to solve, you read the sentence. Read the whole sentence. A. Cuckoos build their own nests. Cuckoos build their Cuckoos build their own nests. Cuckoos are build their own nests? No. Cuckoos and koels do not build their own nests but lay their eggs in the other bird's nest. So this statement is wrong. Right here, false. Okay. Next is B. The woodpecker makes its nest in the bark of a tree. Woodpecker makes its nest in the bark of a tree. Yeah, correct. This statement is correct. Right here, true. C. Penguins use pebbles to make their nests. What are the things used by penguins to make their nests? We learned in the lesson. What are the things using by penguins to build their nest? Penguins use pebbles. Is correct, no? This statement is correct or wrong, kids? Yeah, penguins use pebbles. Penguins use pebbles to make their nests. So, this statement is true or false? You only guess. You only tell me. Is it true? Yes, it is true sentence. So, right here, true. Turn the page. Second question is fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option given in the bracket. By selecting the correct option given in the bracket. A. Before going to read, we read the options. Nests, straw and sticks. 3 answers are given and 3 sentences are there. So see here. A. A vulture makes its nest by putting dash dash together. Vulture makes its nest by using what? Nests, straw or sticks. What they use? They use sticks. Vulture use sticks. Vulture makes its nest by putting sticks together. B. The tailor bird stitched leaves using its beak with the help of nest or straw. The tailor bird stitches leaves using its beak with the help of nests or straw. What is the answer? Straw. Right here. Straw. C. We must not touch and we must not touch and disturb the dash dash of birds. We must not touch. We must not touch and disturb the what remain? Will you write here straw or stick or nest? Only one word remain. Which one remain? Nests. We must not touch and disturb the nests of birds. Understood, kids? Here our fill in the blanks over. Now we'll see match the following columns. In here A and B columns are there. First read the both columns carefully, then join that one. First, in A column, cuckoo, bird it is there, weaver, bird and kingfisher. In B column, A, nests has tunnel-like entrance. B, dives into water to catch fish. C, lays its egg in other bird's nest. Cuckoo, what it will do? It has a nest, it build a nest? No. Cuckoo lays its eggs in the other bird's nest. Okay? A, 1, 2, we join C. Weaver bird nest has tunnel-like entrance. Yes, weaver bird's nest has tunnel-like entrance. To A. Join 2 to A. Now remain only one kingfisher. Kingfisher dives into water to catch fish. Kingfisher dives into water to catch the fish. Okay, here are match the following over. Now we are going to solve the question answers. So see here, kids. Answer the following question. Question number 4. Answer the following question. A. Name any 2 birds whose nests are found inside your house. All of you know. Then guess the bird's name. Those birds are build their nest inside our house means roof. On roof. Ceiling of the fan. Ceiling on the fan. Ceiling fan is there, no? On that unused Okay, then see, you saw no which bird build their nest inside house. Sparrow and pigeons. Sparrow and pigeons. Okay. See. Name any two birds whose nests are found inside your house. Sparrow and pigeons sometimes make nests in our house. Second question. What is the material used by birds to build their nest? What is the materials used by birds to build their nest? Answer is birds use dry leaves, straws, hay, dry grass and twigs. Birds use dry leaves, straws, hay, dry grass and twigs to build their nest. The inside of the nest is made of soft with the help of pieces of cotton or feathers. The inside of the nest is made up of soft with the help of pieces of cotton or feathers. Understood, kids? Here over our second answer. Next we will see question C. Why do birds build nest? Why do birds build nest? You pause the video 2 minutes, read the question first, pause the video 2 minutes and find out. I told you 2 questions answer no. You find out third one. Try to find out. Okay? Everybody are finding, reading the lesson now? Okay, now see. Birds build their nest for shelter. They lay their eggs in their nests, hatch them and nurture the young ones till the time they can fly away. Understood, kids? See here. Birds build their nests for shelter. They lay their eggs in their nests, hatch them and nurture their eggs once till the time they can fly away. Now see last question. Why should we not disturb or touch nests or eggs of birds? Why should we not disturb or not touch nests or eggs of birds? We should not touch or disturb the nest or eggs of birds because the eggs may break and the nest may be get damaged. The eggs may break. When the eggs break, inside that one eggs inside baby die and the nests may get damaged. When the nests may get damaged, the bird where it will lay eggs. When we damage the nest, the bird where will go, where it will put the eggs, where it will lay eggs, where it nourish the young ones. So don't touch, don't disturb nests. Understood, no kids? Thus their very survival can be in danger. Their very survival can be in danger. So we should not disturb, touch nests or eggs of birds. Understood, no kids? Here our question answers finished. This is the homework for you, value based question. The thread used to fly kites. Yes, the thread used to fly kites is sharp and often slits the throats and bodies of the birds while they are flying in the sky. The thread used to fly kites is sharp and often slits the throat and body of the birds while they are flying in the sky. So you fly the kites very carefully. Don't disturb the birds, don't hurt the birds. Do you believe that a smoother string should be used to fly kites or should not fly kites at all? Why so? Do you believe that a smoother string should be used to fly kites or you should not fly kites at all? Why so? Yes, we should use a smoother string and we fly kites because smoother thread do not slit or cut the body part of the birds, do not become hurt from this one thread. Any bird do not get hurt from the thread. So we should use a smoother string to fly kites. Understood, kids? Project. Observe a bird's nest near your house. Make observation about the bird and its nest on the basis of what you have learned in this lesson. This is a project work is there. Observe a bird's nest near your house. Make observation about the bird and its nest on the basis of what you have learned in this lesson. So kids, every day you should read the lesson. You read the lesson. Understood now? Then solve the exercise first in textbook. Then copy down in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video and all these answers I will give in homework.